I bet you've never thought about the tiny world inside your body, have you? Well, get ready because we're about to embark on an incredible journey into the microscopic realm of cell structure. These tiny building blocks of life are far more complex and fascinating than you might imagine. Let's start our adventure at the cell membrane. Think of it as the ultimate bouncer for the cellular nightclub. This flexible barrier decides who gets in and who stays out. Now let's zoom in past the membrane. We find ourselves floating in a jelly-like substance called cytoplasm. At the heart of our cellular city lies the nucleus, the brain of the operation. This spherical command center houses the cell's genetic material, the DNA. Now let's check out the powerhouse of the cell, the mitochondria. These bean-shaped organelles are the cell's energy factories. The ER is like a cellular factory, producing proteins and lipids. Once these products are made, they're sent to the Golgi apparatus. Think of it as the cell's post office. Here, proteins and lipids are modified, sorted, and packaged for delivery to their final destinations. Isn't it mind-blowing to think about the amazing world inside a single cell? Keep exploring, and who knows what other wonders you might discover in the world of cellular biology.